Some everyday habits don't make you quirky or different. Psychologists say they quietly signal low cognitive efficiency, and most people do them daily. I'll show you why in 20 seconds. Because intelligence isn't about IQ tests, it shows up in your daily decisions, mental discipline, and emotional control. Instant defensiveness. Explanation. Getting defensive over small feedback isn't confidence, it's cognitive rigidity. Example, your friend suggests a better way. You snap, I already know that. Consequence, your brain shuts down learning pathways. Growth stops. Actionable fix. Pause, repeat the feedback silently, then respond, not react. And this next habit feels productive, but it's not. Fake multitasking. Explanation. Constantly switching tasks reduces processing depth. Example, you scroll, text, watch YouTube, and work all at once. Consequence, your brain stays shallow, focus muscles weaken. Actionable fix. Single task in 20-minute blocks, one screen, one goal. Now here's the habit people brag about. Loud certainty. Explanation. Overconfidence with low curiosity signals poor metacognition. Example, you speak first, loudest, and never ask questions. Consequence, your brain mistakes certainty for accuracy. Actionable fix. Ask one genuine question before making a claim. This next one destroys judgment silently. Emotional impulses. Explanation. Acting on every feeling shows low emotional regulation. Example, you fire off texts when angry, you regret it later. Consequence, your prefrontal cortex loses control to emotion centers. Actionable fix, delay emotional decisions by 24 hours. And wait, this habit looks harmless. No reading habit. Explanation. Avoiding reading limits abstract thinking and verbal reasoning. Example, you only consume short videos and memes. Consequence, your brain adapts to shallow input. Actionable fix. Read 5 pages daily, non-negotiable. This next one kills intelligence socially. Blaming everyone. Explanation. Externalizing blame blocks self-correction. Example, bad boss, bad system, bad luck, never you. Consequence, your brain avoids responsibility loops. Actionable fix. Ask, what part did I play? Now here's a subtle one. Comfort addiction. Explanation. Always choosing ease over effort weakens problem solving. Example, you avoid difficult conversations and hard tasks. Consequence, your brain never trains cognitive endurance. Actionable fix. Do one uncomfortable task daily. This last one hits hard. Zero curiosity. Explanation. Not wondering why things work shows low intellectual hunger. Example, you accept information without questioning it. Consequence, your brain becomes passive, not analytical. Actionable fix. Ask why 3 times a day. So what's the pattern? These habits share one truth. Low intelligence isn't stupidity, it's unchecked mental laziness. And the good news is, laziness is fixable. If this video made you uncomfortable, good. That means you're paying attention. Subscribe if you want to train your mind, not protect your ego.